Nakakatakot. Dapat merong hawakan dito eh. Dapat hindi mali. Kami hawakan. Hi guys! Today we are here at VIP Crib by VIP Villa. So let's have a review about this place. So they don't have a parking lot, so you can park your cars in front of the villa. Ay, andito pala si Japet eh! Happy birthday, Noy! Happy birthday, tita!
Si Nonoy.
Asa si mama?
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa.
Panibig.
You can bring your own food inside the VIP villa, and there's also a mini store in front of the villa.
Bibili pa ako.
Malapit lang pala eh.
Lapit na lang. Dito nga kami nag-enjoy din natin. Diyan sa kabila. Kina mama.
It's grand entrance si mama. Siyempre, birthday celebrant. As soon as you will enter, you will notice a long table. Right after the long table, you will notice their hanging net and a small, adorable swimming pool. Your children can appreciate the swimming pool as it is only 4 feet tall. Ala, remove your footwear before entering. There are wooden stairs next to the pool. There's a wooden bedroom upstairs with air condition, with 2 double-decked beds and a family-sized bed with drawers at the foot of the bed. The style makes the most of the limited area. Moreover, everything is wooden, even the floors. Ayan, pwedeng matulog. Ang ganda ng bed nila. Hi guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa VIP Crib by VIP Villa. Ayan. Ito yung room nila. So, meron silang 1, 2, 3, tapos pag marami talaga yan, 4, and then 5. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bed nila. Diba? Okay. So, more on wood. Kaya kung nakikita nyo, aesthetic yung design. Wood talaga siya. Ayan. Parang ano lang ito, no? Palo China. Ganun. Ayan. Tapos, eto, puro siya glass. Ayan, glass din siya. So, taas natin. Maliit lang siya, guys. Good for family lang talaga. Sa ilalim nitong inaapakan ko ay swimming pool. Ayan. Ayan siya. Eto, likod nila. Ayan. Sa kapitbahay na nila yan. Pero maganda kasi puro puno. Ayan. So, labas tayo guys. Tingnan natin anong nangyayari dito. Ayan. So, kailangan nakapaa. Ayan. Nakapaa tayo. Kasi, bawal ang shoes ay slippers dito. Right after the bedroom is the way going to the hanging net, and it's overlooking of downstairs. Ayan. Ito naman. Ayan. Mini balcony. Tapos, abot mo na yung ceiling pag nandito ka. Dito tayo sa net. By the way, guys, this is the way to go to the hanging net. And it's overlooking of downstairs. So, both the swimming pool and the first floor are visible from the above. Dapat kanina. Ayan guys. Nandito ako sa net. Ang baba ko ay swimming pool. Nakakatakot. Dapat merong hawakan dito eh. Okay guys, let's go downstairs. So come with me downstairs to check out their tiny kitchen. Taran! This is the kitchen area where their induction cooker is available for use. They have an electric kettle and rice cooker as well. You can cook just like I do. I'm cooking sausages while waiting for the food delivery. The kitchen is located across the swimming pool, as you can see, so you can do multitask and cook while keeping an eye on the kids at the pool. Dali na! Oh, picture na picture! Picture na doon, dali! Ah, dali! Upo doon, Jordan, dali! Upo! 1, 2, 3, smile! There is a shower and toilet behind the swimming pool, although I can't adjust the temperature, but they have a shower heater. Ayan guys, Australianong bangus naman tayo. Kaya lang kasi maliit yung kawali, kaya gano'n nangyari. Ah, diba? Yung tapat lang, yung tutuan, tapat lang ng swimming pool. Diba? Yung toilet, babaho. Ay, sense ang design. Perfect ko tong isa. Yung isa disaster. And here's the birthday celebrant. So, let's sing a happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Everybody! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ma! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! Hey, kiss me si Mama! Birthday ni Mama! Kompleto na! Andito na si Leleb! Kompleto to you! Leleb! Swimming na! Bless, bless, bless! Finally, our food arrived, but it's not yet complete. There's no cake and lechon. So this is my mom's 69th birthday celebration. It's a great spot to have meetings, team building, celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, or simply hanging out with your friends. Tita, pwede kayo magpahinga sa taas? Aircon do? Opo, aircon. Happy birthday, Mami Mer! Tug, tug! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mami Mer! Tug, tug! Yay!
Ay, good job!
Good job talaga. The tiles beside the pool are one of the disadvantage of this location because it is slippery and prone to mishaps. Additionally, because the ceiling is lower, it is more likely to be touched by water when kids are playing in the pool, which is why the black substance and molds are visible on the ceiling. My brother was also cut by the sharp edge of the object in the center of the pool. Ayan. Kasi kapag naglalaro yung mga bata sa pool, so nag-overflow yung water sa gilid ng pool. So which is also tiles siya, kaya madulas. And then makikita nyo yung ceiling may black spot. Molds yun kasi palagi sigurong nababasa yung ceiling kasi nga mababa. And then dun sa pinakang gitna ng swimming pool na nilalabasan ng water, may sharp edge doon na na-touch ng brother ko. And you can also step on it. At saka sharp siya, kaya baka masugatan talaga kayo. Overall experience was good aside from it's located close to my house. So the address is VIP Crib by VIP Villa, located at BF Homes, Phase 1, Barangay 169, Caloocan City. And if you will be coming from Novaliches Bayan, so just ride a tricycle, a white tricycle in Sean Meat Shop, and have special trip going to this place.